Hi and welcome to Jerry in the Attic Tech. We're down here today at Tyre Shop Kagami and we're going to look at some tyres which we're going to hopefully put around these cable looms that we got from SSC. Thanks Shinji-san for that. And we're going to put these tyres around them and build these tables for the truck stop scene. I want a really rustic look for the truck stop scene, so let's go and check out some tyres.
あ、完璧。
十分あるよ。
完璧それ。ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございました。
So I got some wheels. We're gonna screw these to the base of the tables, and so we can move them around for scene changes nice and easily.